Your phone felt incredibly fast when you first bought it. Apps opened instantly. Scrolling felt perfectly smooth. Everything responded the moment you touched the screen. But after a year or two, something changes. Apps take longer to load. Animations feel less smooth. Sometimes the phone even freezes for a moment. Many people assume the phone is simply getting old. But the real explanation is much more interesting. Your phone isn't slowing down because it's old. It's slowing down because several hidden systems inside the phone are working differently over time. Software updates, storage behavior, battery protection, background activity. All of these things gradually affect performance. Today we're breaking down why your phone gets slower over time, and what's really happening inside your device. But before we dive in, if you enjoy simple explanations of the technology you use every day, subscribe. Because on this channel we break down complex tech and make it finally make sense. First, software updates. Let's start with something many people don't expect. Software updates. Updates are designed to improve your phone. They fix security vulnerabilities, add new features, improve compatibility with new apps. But updates also introduce something else: more demanding software. Each new operating system version is built for newer hardware as well. That means the software may expect more processing power, more memory, more advanced graphics capabilities. Newer phones handle these demands easily, but older phones have to work much harder. So after several updates, the same hardware is now running heavier software than it was originally designed for. And that can make the phone feel slower. Second, storage filling up. Another major reason phones slow down is storage usage. When your phone is new, the storage is mostly empty. But over time it fills with photos, videos, apps, downloads, system files. And storage doesn't behave well when it becomes nearly full. Modern phones need free space to operate efficiently. That free space is used for temporary files, app updates, system caching. When storage becomes too full, the phone struggles to manage these processes, which can lead to slower app launches, delayed file access, reduced overall responsiveness. In simple terms, a crowded storage system makes the phone work harder to find and manage data. Third, storage fragmentation. Now let's look at something most users never see: storage fragmentation. When you install and delete apps over time, files become